ForwardX stands out as one of the few robotics companies that functions as an OEM, with full self-production capabilities. Our factory manages the entire process, from assembly to testing, entirely in-house. This factory underscores ForwardX's commitment to self-sufficient production, highlighting our dedication to delivering world-class robotics solutions. ForwardX's factory was built in 2022, spans 10,000 square meters across two expansive buildings, featuring multiple production lines that cover the entire manufacturing process. Specializes in wire harness processing, along with the assembly and testing of smaller AMR models, while the rest area focuses on the production of larger AMR models and autonomous forklifts, in addition to software integration and system testing. This setup ensures comprehensive capabilities and complete quality control throughout each phase of production. By integrating these diverse functions under one roof, the facility enables ForwardX to meet growing demand for automation solutions while maintaining full control over manufacturing processes. With an annual production capacity of 5,000 units, the factory is well positioned to meet the increasing global demand for advanced robotic solutions, further solidifying ForwardX as a leader in the industry. This factory empowers ForwardX to innovate and deliver high-quality, reliable products with self-sufficient production capabilities, ensuring exceptional performance and strong after-sales support. It plays a key role in meeting global demand for intelligent automation, while supporting ongoing research and development for next-generation robotics solutions.